Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing great. So today I have a video for you guys. It's going to be about this electric nail drill that I purchased off Amazon. So this was not sent to me. I purchased it with my own money, and I just thought it would be nice to review it for you guys in case you guys were in the lookout for a drill or just wanted to see how it works before purchasing. It was pretty affordable. I think it was one of the cheapest ones in price. So here you guys see the packaging. I chose the pink one. I believe they also had a silver option, but I just went for the pink. I thought it was really nice. It's really not pink. It's kind of purplish. Here you guys can see what's in the box. It has the usual manual. It has this little thing you put on the side of the machine to put your drill. Here's the generic drill bits that every drill comes with. Here's the actual machine. I don't know what this exact piece is called, but you just twist it to unlock it and then you insert the drill bit. Here's the actual machine. It's very light, very compact, very pretty. It looks really nice and sleek. Pretty easy to understand it. The only thing is this circle to turn it on and off. It keeps going. There's really no stop to it, so it seems kind of flimsy, but you know, I'm hoping for the best. So far it's been real good. Here is the cables that it came with. This is an adapter. Here's a little insert for you to put in the drill. And this is how it looks, super compact. I really like it. It's like super cute. So I just grabbed one of the adapters I had and plugged it in, and there are the switches on the side. So all you do is plug it in, and that's pretty much it. I did put it to charge, I think for a few minutes before I actually turned it on, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to like leave it on for a few hours. Here are the drill bits, and just showing you guys how you insert it. You just twist it to unlock it, and here there's two sizes. I believe it's like 100 and 180 or something like that, and just locking it for you guys so you guys can see it. So far so good. I really like how it looks. Loving the color. Nothing feels like cheap. Everything feels sturdy, and the lock feels good. So far so good. Right here it was freaking out because like it's not turning on, but you're supposed to hold it for a few seconds. So there, I got it on, and that's pretty much it. It's charging. It was charging as I used it, and here I'm just showing you guys how it removes gel polish, which pretty much is going to be what I use it for. I really haven't been doing any acrylic, but I'm pretty sure it does the same. It works perfectly fine on acrylic. But here you guys can see how quickly it's removing all of my gel polish. And of course, I'm being very careful. I'm a licensed nail technician, so I'm not afraid to use an efile on my natural nails, but you definitely want to be careful. So the only thing I gotta say is I was on, I think, like level 3, and it kind of just stopped. I think I was kind of in between, like almost turning off and too slow, so the machine kind of, I think it said like error, or it just stayed in 0, but it was like being weird, so I just had to turn it off, and it's happened twice. I mean, for the price it's no big deal, but just wanted to let you know that the 2 times that I had it like on level 3, it did just stop. It kind of stopped spinning. I think it was too much for the pressure I was putting on my nail, but that's pretty much it. I've used it on 2 clients already to remove gel as well, and works perfectly fine. We remove gel with no problem. Definitely recommend it for the price. I will leave it down below for you guys to check it out. I hope you liked this video. Pretty much it was just a quick unboxing for you guys to see how it looks, and just a quick demo on how I removed my gel polish with no problem. Obviously I wasn't going super fast. It's the video is sped up, but I'm actually going in a pretty low setting, and I switch off fingers just to avoid any heat shock. That's pretty much it, guys. I definitely recommend this efile if you're on the lookout. It was under, I think, like $40, so check it out if you are interested in purchasing a efile. So hope you like this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.